Welcome back! Today we're taking a look at the Hotel 1000 in Seattle, Washington. Starting off in the lobby area, it's a pleasant space with lots of flowers, a design theme that carries into the hallways, as we'll see shortly. And I appreciate that there's a lot of available seating. Heading to our room, we had booked through American Express's Fine Hotel and Resorts program. And at the time of the booking, this hotel was affiliated with Hilton, but it's now a Hyatt hotel. And in fact, the day we checked in was the first day the hotel made its transition to being a Hyatt brand. We had booked a deluxe room that came with one king and one queen bed. I've never seen a layout quite like this at a hotel, and I rather like it. The first room contains the queen bed, TV, and the minibar. Through the curtains gets you to the king bed, which is also where the bathroom is. The king bed area has another TV, a small desk, and a closet. The bathroom is quite large and has a soaker tub. And the water fills from the ceiling. Never seen that before in a hotel either. There's also a decent-sized walk-in shower, and of course, the toilet. I rather like this layout. It was great for our family. Checking out the fitness center real quick. It is unfortunately a windowless room, but it was fine for what it is. Breakfast was also included as part of our booking, and the restaurant was essentially empty, but the food was pretty good, and it was a comfortable place to start the day. Let's talk about the pros and cons. On the pro side of things, it's a good location. It's a quick walk to the waterfront or the Link trains. The rooms were clean and everything was very comfortable. The room layout is great for families and was perfect for what we needed. On the con side of things, really the only thing that comes to mind is the views, and really not that great. Only the top few floors have any view to speak of at all. Overall, we had a good stay here, and I can't complain about another Hyatt option in Seattle. And if you have the Amex Platinum card, it's a great use of the $300 Fine Hotels and Resort hotel credit, as the cash rate is often around $300 a night. This would make a great staycation, or as was in our case, a place to stay before an early flight out to SeaTac. Thanks for watching.